Cardiac auscultation is a simple and effective tool for monitoring cardiovascular health. However, it is still mostly confined to clinical environments. To address this limitation, we introduce CardioAmp, a 3D printed smartphone accessory for high-fidelity cardiac sound capture. Attach it to a smartphone and place it on the chest to record clear cardiac sounds in daily life. Its acoustic structure amplifies low-frequency components, including clinically important murmurs that are often missed by smartphone microphones. CardioAmp brings ubiquitous high-fidelity auscultation to your pocket.